What are the basic safety features at any construction site? Due to our ignorance or some accidents, working in a construction site is always involved with risks. However, with the following practices adopted in sites, we can considerably reduce the mishaps and improve the safety in construction sites. Site-specific induction training on safety should be provided to all workers, which point out the high-risk areas, and provide guidance for basis emergency management. Since the risks in construction work is unpredictable, it's impossible to eliminate all safety risks. However, many of such accidents are avoidable by conducting regular safety audits and having a standard operating procedure for all the works and address the potential risks in these. Implement strict security and safety protocols in site. Also, it is always better to limit access to the site in order to ensure protection of heavy equipment and machinery from theft and damage. Separate entry and exit points should be established for heavy machinery, vehicle access, to strengthen pedestrian safety at high traffic points. Chemicals and other hazardous materials need to be stored very carefully to minimize fires, explosions, asphyxiation, chemical injury and pollution on work sites. Overhead and underground power transmission lines can be lethal, so it is important that the construction workers maintain safe distance from them. All the lines are grounded, all construction electrical products are insulated using sleeves, and all heavy equipment are energized when not in use. Check that all the extension cords are adequate for the amount of current being carried to avoid fluctuations and overloading. If a portable electrical product is used in a damp environment, it is essential to ensure that a transformer is used to isolate the voltage between conductors so it does not exceed 230 volts. Always display signage clearly at the construction site. It should also include a 24/7 emergency number along with a detailed map that leads to location of fire extinguishers, first aid supplies, emergency exits, and amenities available on site. Ensure to follow safety signs and procedures without fail. An employer must provide personal protective equipment, kit to all the workers. This should include safety harness, safety goggles, head protection gear, earplugs etc. Depending upon the type of work, a safety officer must be appointed in site in order to ensure the efficient usage of PPEs by the workers. Always keep the construction site clean throughout your shifts to reduce the number of slip and trip hazards. Use the right equipment for the specified work. Before beginning the work, visually check the condition of the equipment and ensure that it is safe to use.